this is what we got going on here. We thought this inverse head and shoulders was going to play out, but we got shot down. Now keep in mind, we had this trend line going on and it was a perfect trend line. So now we need to remember this trend line could come up and play in the future at some point when we want to get over it. So I'm going to just drag it out all the way. Keep it something like that. But for now, this inverse head and shoulders is no longer in play. So we happen to also fall below this demand zone. So I'm going to wipe it out and it's going to start looking like more of a bigger correction, right? We want to start looking more A, B, and then potentially get that C move down into these ranges here. So we're going to look at previous zones where we had confluence in those areas, and we're going to look at 28 range, and we're also going to look at the $20 range because we could potentially fall in these ranges. Now if we run the fibs to see from our top to the bottom to the pullback and we run the fibs, it makes sense, man. We could potentially come back to $13 as the first target. So right now, this might not be our time on Nio. What we want to see is this get held up. Like, this is like going to be the last chance for us bulls, right? Is this range right here, $31. We need $31 to like be our stand of the line demand zone, because otherwise there's not really much of a bull case coming up on this stock, right? Keep in mind, Nio ran from March 19th, 2020 upwards of 2,690%. So just keep in mind, like, this is due for a mean correction. So far it's already made 50% of the way down from the very highs. It's made around 52% of the way down. What we could be seeing here is a big Elliott wave retracement. So we have our wave 1 pullback, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, right? Say that's what it is, something like that. If that's the case, this wave ABC pullback would make complete sense. A, B, and then C coming back somewhere in this range. And then it would restart the cycle going on for another big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way up. So it should be interesting. Nio, man, I don't know. I want to hold up. We need it to hold up. We need it to hold up. So we're going to look and see if it comes towards these ranges in the coming weeks. Easy, guys. Peace.